Exercise 2.7. First question. Rationalize the denominator. That is, we should rationalize only the denominator. Okay. For that, first we split into factors. Okay. In that factors, one number should be a greatest perfect square. Then it will be easy to us. Okay. What is it? One number should be a greatest perfect square. For example, 50 we write it as 5 tens are, then 2 into 25 like this. Okay. So here we choose this one because this 25 is a perfect square. So we don't choose this because this is easy to us. So that is equal to 1 by root 50 we write it as root 25 into 2. That is equal to 1 divided by root 25 into root 2. That is equal to 1 by root 25. Answer is 5. So 5 root 2. Now we rationalize the denominator. So it is 5 root 2. Here it is root 2. So we multiply and divide by root 2. So root 2 divided by 5 into root 2 into 2. 2. So root 2 divided by 5 2s are 10. Okay. So now this 10 is a rational number. But in the question root 50. But the answer is root 10. This is a rational number. So we rationalize the denominator. Okay. Next question. Root 75 divided by root 18. Similarly, we split into factors. That one number should be the greatest perfect square. That should be you remember in. Okay. So 75 we take factors. 7 plus 5 12. So 3 table will come. Okay. So 3 2 3s are 3 into 25. This number will be the greatest perfect square. Okay. So but 5 into 15. This is also a factor. But in this factor no perfect square. Okay. So here this number we choose. So that is equal to 25 into root 3. Like 18 is equal to 3 6 are 18, 9 2s are also 18. But here in this factor no perfect squares. But here it is a perfect square. So we choose this. So root of 9 into 2. That is equal to root 25 into root 3 divided by root 9 into root 2. That is equal to root 25 is 5 root 3 divided by root 9 3 root 2. Now we rationalize only the denominator. Okay. So here it is root 2. So we multiply and divide. Then only the meaning will not be changed. Okay. So 5 into root 3 into root 2 root 6 divided by 3 root 2 into root 2 2. So the answer is 5 root 6 divided by 6. Now 6 is a rational number. So we rationalized. Okay. Second question. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. Okay. Square root of 48 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 27 minus square root of 18. So we split into factors. Okay. So for in rough column you do the factors. 48 means first 2 table 2 into 24. This is not a perfect square. So we can't take this. Next 3 table means 3 into 16. Yes. This we should take. Okay. So that is equal to 16 square root of 16 into 3 plus 32 means 2 into 16. Then in this factor it is not a perfect square. So we can choose this. So square root of 16 into 2 divided by root 27 means 9 into 3 because 9 is a perfect square minus root 18 9 into 2. Okay. So root 16 into root 3 divided by root 9 into root 3 plus root 16 into root 2 divided by root 9 into root 2. So root 16 answer is 4. 4 root 3 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 root 2 divided by 3 root 2. Okay. So again 4 root 3. Now we rationalize the denominator. It is 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2. It is in the form of a minus b. So we multiply and divide by the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2? It is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay. Divided by 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we multiply each term. So 4 root 3 into 3 root 3. 4 into 3, 12 into root 3 into root 3, 3. So 12 into 3. Next, see the multiplication carefully. Next, 4 root 3 into 3 root 2. 4 into 3, 12. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. Next, plus here it is. 4 root 2 plus 3 root 3. First we multiply the numbers, then rational numbers. Okay. So 4 into 3, 12. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. Next, again this one. 4 into 3, 12. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Okay. Divided by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 3 root 3 square minus 3 root 2 square. That is equal to 12 into 3, 36 plus, this is like such. Okay. So 12 root 6 plus 12 root 6 means 24 root 6 plus 12 into 2, 24 divided by 3 root 3 square means 3 square then root 3 square. Okay. So 3 we squaring both the numbers. So 3 square 9, root 3 square 3, 9 3s are 27. Like 3 root 2 whole square means 3 square into root 2 square. So 3 square 9, root 2 square 2. So 9 2s are 18. So here it is 27 minus 18. That is equal to 36 plus 24, 60 plus 24 root 6 minus 27 minus 18, 9. Okay. Now we take the common numbers outside. Okay. So 60 we split into 12 5s are. Okay. 12 5s are 60. 24 is 12 2s are 24. Now 12 is common. So we take 12 outside means here it is the remaining is 5 plus here remaining is 2 root 6 divided by 9. Then this 12, because the question is unsimplify. Okay. So this is not the answer. We should simplify this. So here again we cancel to 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 4 divided by 3 into 5 plus 2 root 6. Next, the second question. 5 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. That is equal to, we multiply, this is the denominator, isn't it? So we multiply and divided by conjugate. Conjugate of this is root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. That is equal to, again we multiply. Multiplication should be done carefully. Okay. So 5 into root 3 into root 3, 3. Next, minus symbol. So 5 into root 3 into root 2, root 6. Again, root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Next, root 2 minus root 2 is minus 2 divided by a plus b, a minus b. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. So that is equal to 5 into 3, 15 minus 5 root 6 This is, here it is plus root 6. Already I told you we subtract or add only the coefficients. Okay. So here it is nothing means it is the meaning is 1. So minus 5 plus 1 means minus 4 root 6. So here minus 4 root 6 minus 2 divided by root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. So the answer is 15 minus 2, 13 minus 4 root 6 divided by 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 13 minus 4 root 6. Okay. Next, third question. Find the value of A and B. If root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2, that is equal to A root 7 plus B. As usually we find this previous one, isn't it? Rationalize the denominator. Like same way, here we find the rationalizing factor for the denominator. Then we comparing the coefficients. Okay. So, root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. So, the conjugate of this one is root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2. Then we multiply, that is equal to root 7 into root 7, 7. Root 7 into minus 2 root 7. Minus 2 into root 7 minus 2 root 7. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 divided by a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So root 7 square minus 2 square, that is equal to 7 plus 4. We add only the like terms and like surds. So 7 plus 4, 11, minus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7 minus 4 root 7 divided by root 7 square 7 minus 2 square 4. Okay, that is equal to 11 minus 4 root 7 divided by 7 minus 4 is 3. Here the first term is root 7, isn't it? So we write the root 7 is, we write first root 7. So minus 4 root 7 by 3. Here the symbol is plus. So plus 11 by 3. Now compare this one, a root 7 and minus 4 root 7 by b. So root 7, this is the coefficient. A is the coefficient of root 7. Okay, here. Like here a is the coefficient of root 7 means a is minus 4 by 3. So comparing this one. Okay. So comparing this one means a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Then here b is constant. So here also b is, so 11 by 3. So b is equal to 11 by 3. Thank you children.